This $60 dash cam from Uten comes with a power cable and mounting bracket. This is built with a 1296p 30 frame per second camera on the front, mic and reset on the side, a 3-inch view screen, menu, left, right, and OK control buttons on the back and bottom, and the option to add a GPS on the top next to all the power ports. Make sure you pick the perfect spot because once you install, it's a little tricky to take off. However, it is easy to rotate and begins recording as soon as you turn the key. You have the option to turn the screen off, which will still record, indicated by the blue light. Uten comes with one-tap picture taking, motion detection, which can be set at low, medium, and high sensitivity and needs to be plugged in to work. Ability to scroll through footage and fast forward or slow down, and what they call LDWS, which notifies you if you start to swerve off the road.
Lane has been offset, please note.
Uten has a 170-degree view and can continuously record for multiple hours using a max SD card of 128 gigabytes, or you can record in 1, 3, or 5-minute segments, which will auto-erase the old ones once the card is full if you didn't protect them. Here's a sample of the sound quality.
She grew up in a small town in the backwoods of upstate New York.
Uten has auto night mode, which I thought looked pretty good, and has a built-in G sensor like one of the